Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, and greetings to all my colleagues in the healthcare community. My name is Mahmud Aurganzeb. I'm Professor of Surgery and Dean of Khyber Medical College. I'm absolutely delighted to personally invite you to attend and to participate in the upcoming Khyber Medical College International Research Conference. This is the third of its kind. This significant event will be held on the 2nd and 3rd of October at our prestigious institute. The theme of this year's conference is Research Culture, bridging the gap between classrooms and clinical avenues. This theme is particularly relevant in today's medical landscape, as it highlights the crucial need to connect academic knowledge with real-world clinical research. For healthcare professionals, this conference will offer a platform to explore how we can encourage and integrate high-quality research in resource-limited settings like ours. This is especially vital as we strive to improve healthcare delivery and patient outcomes in Pakistan and beyond. During KMC IRC 2024, we have designed an exciting agenda that includes state-of-the-art lectures, interactive workshops, panel discussions, and presentations from national and international experts. This will cover a wide array of topics such as randomized controlled trials, qualitative research, and ethical conduct in medical research. These discussions will have practical implications for healthcare professionals, researchers, and students alike. I truly believe that by attending this conference, you will not only gain valuable insights into the latest research methodologies and clinical innovations, but also have the opportunity to network and collaborate with professionals who share your passion for advancing healthcare through research. We are building a research culture that bridges the gap between academic learning and clinical practice, and your participation is key to making this vision a reality. I strongly encourage you all to join us in this important event. Together we can drive a meaningful change and contribute towards a future where research plays a central and a pivotal role in improving the healthcare of our communities. I look forward to welcoming you to the KMC IRC 2024 and working together to inspire and shape the future generation of healthcare professionals and researchers. I hope to see you on the 2nd and 3rd of October in the historic city of Peshawar. Thank you all so much.